guys, welcome to Quesadilla.
I'm here with my little brother, Andrew.
And I'm here with my older brother, Joshua.
And this is Quesadilla.
This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if their ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. This is a suggestion by my Science and Social Studies teacher, Mr. Fleck.
Thanks, Mr. Fleck.
Mr. Fleck actually suggested 2 quesadillas, which we combined into one. The first quesadilla was ground beef and cheddar, and the other one was turkey, bacon, and Swiss cheese. But we don't have the Swiss cheese because we just didn't get the Swiss cheese because we don't have any, sadly. I think this might be a pretty good quesadilla.
I'm not really sure about it because it's ground beef and onions. I don't like onions that much. And ground beef just is kind of, chewy to me. And I kind of don't know. It's like a weird taste to me, so I don't know.
I don't know where you're getting chewy from, but
it's not chewy. It's just, it's like a weird taste. Okay, weird taste.
Okay, whatever world Andrew's in right now, I think this will be pretty good. I mean, it's like a 3-meat quesadilla. That sounds really good. My prediction right now is it can quesadilla.
Is bacon meat?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, well, let's cook.
So first we're gonna preheat the skillet. And as usual, I'm gonna add butter to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting.
Wait, no, Andrew. Mr. Fleck requested olive oil instead of butter. Okay. Well, okay.
What just happened? Instead, we're gonna add olive oil because Mr. Gowdy suggested that instead of butter. So we should put in butter.
Andrew, just to let you know, it was Mr. Fleck.
Oh, whoops. Okay, let's grab this olive oil. Spread this around.
It's a lot more different because the butter was thick and it feels more different, and I feel like this one's gonna bubble and hit me in the arm or the face.
Bubble.
No, not a good bubble, Andrew.
Oh.
Not a good bubble.
No bubbles.
Okay, back to the cheese.
Okay, the cheese. Well, what do you mean back to the cheese?
I don't know.
Never even open the back.
Back to the cheese? I had my back to the cheese. Oh, just
put the cheese on there.
So, what?
Oh, there's a big bubble in there. Okay.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is what I'm gonna do is add a handful of cheese.
You mean the thing that you never do? You said handful. You're already putting another handful.
Yes, I am.
Spread it around. I think yeah.
Pop that bubble.
Now we're gonna add our ground beef. This ground beef actually has onions in it.
Yes.
So that was probably too much.
Now
put the turkey on there.
we're gonna add some turkey.
Turkey, porky. No, spread it like go on one side and go on the other. That's not what I meant. Who cares? Just. Okay, now we're gonna add bacon. Oh. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna fold this monstrous mountain quesadilla. This meat mountain, that's what it is. Meat mountain.
Just fold it.
It's not that easy, Andrew.
Oh, I folded a quesadilla before.
Stressful moment. Yes! Success. Alright, since the top's a little bit brown, I'm gonna check the bottom just to be sure, because I don't want this thing to burn.
Probably not good. Just leave it for a little bit.
I think it's got like a minute in it. We've realized that the top is definitely not gonna work. Like when I go to flip, it's gonna be super floppy. So we're gonna add a little bit more cheese just so that it can stick.
We're gonna add a little bit this time.
Like, hurry up so it doesn't burn. No. Oh yeah, I guess. Here, let me do it.
Oh wow. We only said a little bit.
Go.
You took my job. How dare you?
I am mastered now.
No, you're not. Then I'm master at folding and flipping.
Never.
Oh.
I must check. I think it should be done. Yep, I think I can flip. Uh-oh, I think it's stuck, Andrew. Oh, wait, yay, it's not.
Isn't that the point for it to be stuck?
Huh? Wait, never mind. This is gonna go everywhere. Oh, that bad. I think it actually might be ready to take off.
Nah.
Mr. Fleck was my science and social studies teacher. He was really, really funny. There was a couple times in the year where he would dress up as a character for the social studies assignment we were doing for like Egypt. He dressed up as a pharaoh. It was King Tut. And then he dressed up as, we did Mesopotamia. He dressed up as, I forget his name, sadly. It was fun. We had many memories. One of my biggest memory was when we did the Mesopotamia one, and he had us do clay, what are they called? Clay tablets. And we had to make words and stuff out of them. It was fun. Okay, but I'm gonna check it. It's kind of smoking a little. Ooh, that was cool. It's kind of crispy. Yep. Oh, that cheese melted. So nice. Time to review.
Time to review.
Hey guys, we're here at the review with our dad. So let's cut this quesadilla.
Okay. What do we have today?
This quesadilla is a very meaty quesadilla.
It's a
There's clearly turkey in it, right?
turkey, bacon, ground beef. I forgot the rest, I think.
Wow.
And mild cheddar.
Okay.
Mild cheddar.
I like cheddar.
And
I like
this-
all those ingredients,
And
actually.
actually, this time, instead of butter, we used olive oil.
Oh, okay. It is very crispy. It's very...
Yeah, this looks really good.
It's like folded a little bit less on one side than the other. That's okay. So this is Teacher Appreciation Week, right? Whose idea was this?
This
see.
was Mr. Flex, my science.
All right. Well, thanks, Mr. Fleck. So here's what this looks like.
I did a really
Meaty
bad
and
job
cheesy. You
folding
did a good job melting the cheese. It's okay. Sometimes they fold good, sometimes they don't. That's life. Oh, your turkey fell out.
Oh.
Well, how do you think this is going to taste?
Good. Yeah,
You think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's probably going to be good.
It smells really good.
All right. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah. It's the ground beef. It's like, I mean, I can't really taste turkey, but like the ground beef, it's better cooked. So yeah, I can.
I can taste the onions in the ground beef, and if you didn't see it, my turkey fell out, so I don't taste any turkey. And the bacon, don't really get the bacon. I think the onion and ground beef is really strong.
I think the ground beef, I don't taste the turkey either. The ground beef pretty much is the king of this quesadilla. And who doesn't like ground beef quesadilla? I mean, it's a pretty elementary ingredient to a quesadilla. I think maybe 1 in every 3 times we make quesadillas for dinner, they have ground beef in them. So definitely that works. Can't taste the turkey. The bacon bits, they're great. Everyone loves bacon bits.
Yep.
So I'd say can quesadilla for sure.
Yep, totally.
3 cans.
3 cans.
That's how you know to try it.
That's how you know to try it. All right, take us out.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Please suggest some suggestions down below. And we'll see you next time on Can Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.